A local convenience store chain AllDay is the latest company to go public and weather market risks brought on by this ongoing health crisis. Tonight, we have the AllValue President and CEO, Camille Villar, to share with us their business plans. Camille, thank you so much for joining us on The Final Word.
Hi, good evening to everyone watching, and good evening, Rico. Thank you for having me in the show.
The big question now is, Camille, why list AllDay marts on the stock market when many of the retail businesses have closed shop, including franchises and convenience stores during this ongoing pandemic? Is it the right time?
Actually, we felt that it was a good time because actually for AllDay Marts, which is actually a company for AllDay supermarkets, throughout the pandemic, we did remain open because the grocery business is in fact essential. So while there were challenges during the pandemic about how to serve our customers better, it really gave us an opportunity to serve our customers better. So we introduced a lot of innovations, both digitally and also in store. And we spent the first 5 years of our company calibrating our operations. And now we are confident that we have developed a model that we can easily scale up, and we can easily open in most parts of the country and expand. So we felt that it was a good time. And also our chairman, former Senate President Manny Villar, sees that as the country continues to fully vaccinate more and more Filipinos, this pandemic will come to a close soon in the near future, and our economy will slowly start to recover. So we are very optimistic about what lies ahead for us.
All right. There's a lot of buzz right now among investors and stockbrokers about your initial public offering because it has been priced at 60 centavos per share, but Camille, it is 25% lower than the maximum indicative price of 80 centavos. Has the price been reduced because of waning investor appetite for your public offering, or to make it more attractive?
Well, what we wanted to do actually was price it at a responsible entry point to maximize value for our new institutional and retail investors. We really wanted to attract people or long-term shareholders that really wanted to be a part of this journey. So that's why it was priced this way.
And with the share price, the offering share price at 60 centavos per share, AllDay could raise as much as 4.5 billion pesos from this offering, which will be used for debt repayment, capital expenditure, and store network expansion from 33 to 100 by 2026. Can you tell us, Camille, have you already identified the areas where you want to expand your stores?
Yes, actually, the sites up to 100 and even beyond, this is where the synergy with Vista Land and our other real estate companies come into play. Because all our future sites have already been identified because they are within the communities that Vista Land develops. So it makes building our stores easier from a business development point of view. So the 100 stores that we have earmarked, those have already been identified. And once these communities are ready, we can build them very, very quickly. That being said, we have already received a lot of offers from other communities and other developers, and we will look into these and possibly expand in these areas.
Yeah, because there are a lot of AllDay stores in the National Capital Region and in the Calabarzon area. Are you also expanding towards the Visayas and Mindanao to expand the reach of AllDay marts?
Yes. Actually, this year our expansion will be primarily in Mega Manila. And we will continue to do so. But we do have stores already in the Visayas, and we will be expanding to Mindanao and all throughout the Philippines as well. Because as you know, Vistaland actually is present in 147 cities and municipalities, and all of these are available as possible expansion locations for all-day supermarkets.
And of course, Camille, if you take a look at the convenience store space, it is very competitive. Any new innovations that you will be introducing to make your product stand out amongst the competition?
Actually, what we saw around the world when we were going around pre-pandemic was in the Asian region and in other parts of the world, there's really a trend towards premiumization. So we felt that in the Philippines, we wanted to offer an upgraded shopping experience for our consumers, because this happens in most countries with a rising middle class like our own, or the Philippines. So all-day supermarkets really promises to give premium shopping experience, whether it's in the brick and mortar stores or also online. During the pandemic, we introduced a lot of innovations. We opened our e-commerce platform in June 2020, which is allday.com.ph. We are to date the only grocery that offers 24/7 delivery. So you can actually order goods online and have them delivered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We also were the first to introduce last year a personal shopper grocery service, which Euromonitor hailed as a pioneering concept. And in stores, we also have a trend that we saw in the US and in Australia, which is self-checkout counters. The good thing about this is it limits the contact when you're shopping in supermarkets. So we are continuously innovating in our supermarket, and we will continue to do so long after the IPO.
Camille Villar, the President and CEO of Allvalue, thank you so much for joining us on The Final Word, and good luck with the public offering of all day marts. And here are